The silent wealth killer that nobody talks about. What if I told you that the biggest threat to your financial future isn't a stock market crash, high taxes, or even inflation? Instead, it's something far more subtle, something that creeps into your life without warning and silently drains your wealth over time. This hidden threat doesn't make headlines, and most financial experts rarely discuss it. Yet, it's responsible for keeping millions of people from achieving financial freedom. It's the reason why high earners still struggle financially and why savings accounts never seem to grow despite higher incomes. In this video, we're going to uncover the silent wealth killer that could be sabotaging your financial success. We'll break down what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can stop it before it's too late. This is the hidden force that works against your wealth every single day, yet very few people discuss it. It's not just one factor, but a combination of mental, emotional, and systemic traps that quietly drain your potential earnings and investments over time. Understanding this silent wealth killer and taking proactive steps to mitigate its effects could mean the difference between financial success and a lifetime of struggling to stay ahead. The silent wealth killer. Lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest, yet least talked about, destroyers of long-term wealth is lifestyle inflation. Also known as lifestyle creep, this occurs when individuals increase their spending as their income grows. It is the reason why many high earners still live paycheck to paycheck and why some people never seem to accumulate real wealth despite their rising salaries. The problem with lifestyle inflation is that it doesn't feel like a bad decision. As income increases, it seems natural to upgrade living conditions, buy a better car, dine at fancier restaurants, and enjoy luxuries that were once out of reach. However, these incremental increases in expenses quietly eat away at potential savings and investment opportunities, leaving people financially vulnerable in the long run. Why lifestyle inflation is so dangerous? It prevents wealth accumulation. Wealth is built through saving and investing. When every increase in income is matched by an increase in expenses, there is little to no room for saving or investing. The result? Decades of hard work with nothing to show for it. It creates dependence on a high income. A higher standard of living becomes a necessity, making it difficult to downgrade if circumstances change. Losing a job, a market downturn, or unexpected financial hardships can be devastating when a person is locked into expensive obligations. It delays financial freedom. People who avoid lifestyle inflation and instead invest their extra income are able to achieve financial independence much sooner. Those who fall victim to lifestyle creep, however, often have to work for decades just to maintain their inflated lifestyle. The psychology behind lifestyle inflation. People often justify spending more as a reward for their hard work. This is fueled by social comparison, where individuals feel pressure to match the lifestyles of friends, colleagues, or social media influencers. Marketing and advertising also play a significant role, encouraging people to constantly seek upgrades in their possessions and experiences. Additionally, the hedonic treadmill theory explains how people quickly adapt to higher levels of luxury. A new car or a designer handbag may bring joy initially, but soon becomes the new normal, requiring yet another purchase to regain the same level of satisfaction. Other silent wealth killers. While lifestyle inflation is a major threat, it is not the only silent wealth killer. Several other factors contribute to the gradual erosion of financial stability. 1. Hidden fees and financial leakage. Bank fees, investment management fees, and credit card interest charges quietly siphon wealth over time. Subscription services, unused memberships, and small daily expenses add up significantly over years. 2. Inflation and the cost of living. While inflation is widely discussed, many people underestimate its long-term impact. Holding cash instead of investing ensures that money loses purchasing power over time. 3. Debt trap and minimum payments. Carrying debt, especially high-interest consumer debt, significantly hinders wealth accumulation. Minimum payments on credit cards keep people stuck in financial bondage for years. 4. Poor investment decisions. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes or following bad financial advice can lead to severe losses. Not investing at all due to fear or lack of knowledge also results in missed opportunities for wealth growth. How to defend against the silent wealth killer. To protect your wealth, consider the following strategies. Live below your means. Avoid upgrading your lifestyle every time you get a raise. Focus on increasing your savings and investments instead. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. Treat investments as a non-negotiable expense. Be conscious of recurring expenses. Regularly audit subscriptions and unnecessary expenditures. Negotiate lower rates on services and insurance policies. Invest wisely. Diversify investments to combat inflation and ensure long-term growth. Avoid emotional investing and follow a disciplined strategy. Develop a long-term mindset. Focus on financial independence rather than short-term pleasures. Understand the compounding effect of small financial decisions over time. The silent wealth killer that nobody talks about is not a single catastrophic event but rather a slow and steady erosion of financial well-being caused by lifestyle inflation, hidden fees, poor financial habits, and economic factors. But here's the good news: now that you know about it, you have the power to stop it in its tracks. By being mindful of lifestyle inflation, cutting unnecessary expenses, and making smart financial choices, you can build and preserve your wealth for the future. So, what do you think? Have you fallen victim to the silent wealth killer without realizing it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another financial insight. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.